Hi, this is Joe Santoro from Personal Property Managers. I'd like to discuss with you selling the home of a hoarder. It may be a little bit of an uncomfortable subject if you're in that situation, but we can help. We often work with homeowners and especially executors of estates that are settling a property of perhaps an elderly loved one, that the home is packed from floor to ceiling. Oftentimes these are called hoarder homes. Oftentimes these are the homes of elderly loved ones. Let's face it, these homes were owned by people who were part of the greatest generation, bar none. They worked so hard for everything they had. However, they didn't like to throw anything out either, just in case they may need to use those items. Well, guess what? If you're in the process of trying to sell a home, you need to downsize it and declutter it and tidy it up and make it what we call market ready. Well, how do you do that? It's a very overwhelming and daunting task, very physically demanding and exhausting. Not to worry, we can handle that all for you at Personal Property Managers. We'll take care of cleaning out the attic, the basement, the garage, jammed with all sorts of items, the closets, the cupboards, the bathrooms. We take care of it all for you. Not only are we physically removing the items from the house and cleaning the house up, make it spick and span and spotless, but if there's any items in the house that are of any significance or value, we can help liquidate the contents of your home as well, or the home of an elderly loved one. So for more information about our home clean out, downsizing, and hoarder property sale services, please don't hesitate to contact us or give us a call. For more information, please look us up on the net at personalpropertymanagers.com. Thank you.